Hello, today I have a new video for you which is featuring my sugar, which is raw sugar, whatever that was, probably some coconut oil I think, and you're just going to put some almond oil in it, and then you're going to put in some coconut oil, and yeah, which is taking a long time for me to do that, so that's what I'm doing right now. You can't tell, but that's what I'm going to do when I'm done explaining and talking. I had to film it on audio because that didn't make any sense. So just put your sugar in and then talk for a little bit more. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna probably edit this, but I don't really want to. Oh, and then put your coconut oil in, and then your sister will complain that you put way too much in. So you'll stir it up and add a bit more in too. Oh, excuse my veiny fingers, veiny hands. Anyway, oh that's gross. That's like, ugh, just like coming out at me. Okay, oh hey, I have my old nails on. Yeah, my nails. If you want to watch my nails, go look at my nail video. That's how I do them. And then you stir it up until it looks like, dough? No, I don't know. Till it looks like, clumped together. Yeah, okay, so just keep stirring that up. As much as you can, I think it's good now. Yeah, well, I've already talked for this longer, so if I have to read this audio, I'm going to be very annoyed. Because I've talked and I've already explained it, so yeah. But I got my microphone. I'm just kidding, I got my Apple headphones microphone. So hopefully that's good enough. And now just add some more sugar just in case you didn't have enough in the first place. That's okay, just keep on stirring it up and then... it looks like I'm going to make some food, but I'm not actually. I didn't actually say what I was going to do. But I'm going to make a sugar scrub for your body. Not your face, because my sister uses it on her face. You're not supposed to do that. Okay. Add some more oil in it. Coconut oil, actually, to be precise. And then just watch that all soak in. And stir it a bit more. Keep on stirring. Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring. This is going to be really boring, this part. Okay, let's speed this up. Whoop. Welcome to the future. This took too much effort because now I've got to actually figure out where I'm going to do that. Okay, add some more almond oil with your veins in. Anyway, we're almost done with this tutorial, so it's pretty simple and easy. I'll just tell you what happens in the end. I'll just spoil it for you. So what you do is you put it on your legs, and then you rub it in, and then you shave it, or do whatever you want to do. If you want to shave, you can shave. It's very nice. Anyway, it makes your skin really soft and smooth, and that's pretty much the end result. So if you thought of something else, you're wrong. So hope you're entertained by this video because it was really nothing. I just didn't have anything to post, so I'm going to post this. I promise my videos will hopefully get better in the future. Probably not, because I don't really know what to film, and I don't have any subscribers. Oh hey, the video's ended. Okay, guess it's time to go now. Bye. Thanks for everything. Oh, what?